Okay, this is the introduction for weathering under the discussion chapter 5. But basically, in this section, we will make the lecture differently. I will ask I will ask your group to present some of the topics. But before you discover the subtopic, so you need to know about the weathering of rock. Okay, the weathering of rock is the process which rock disintegrated and decomposed. Please highlight the word disintegrated and highlight the word decomposed. Okay, before we move on to the next sentence. Okay, what you need to know about disintegration. Disintegration is physical breakdown. Okay, what is the meaning by decomposition? That one is chemical alteration. So weathering, in simple bahasa we call it as erosion ataupun hakisan lah. And because of this process, it has several external factor or the agent of weathering, and that is basically from wind, water, glacier, rain, temperature, climate changes, chemical soluble, gravity, plants, turbidity, flow, bacteria, and etc. Okay, all of that we have in Malaysia except glaciers. Okay, glaciers is the action of snow or hail, and this one is quite different to compare with other weathering agents. So that is the introduction for weathering. This is very beautiful structural geology, and this is basically from a very huge rock here, but because of the agent of weathering, all of this is weathered away, and what is left is this like uh, like this structure, and it is kind of mesmerizing to look at. And this is a lot more of structure that you can see. Okay, and of course, once upon a time there must be a rock here, but now it has been weathered away. So that is the idea of weathering. So in terms of weathering, there are two types of weathering. Number one is physical weathering or mechanical weathering, and number two is chemical weathering. For physical weathering, what you need to know is about the mechanical breakdown into smaller and smaller pieces without changing the mineral composition. And for physical weathering, it is more to chemical reaction. So that is the introduction from me. We will wait for others to present the subtopic for this discussion. Okay, thank you.